ho, guys. It is 90-something degrees outside, and I was just outside doing some gardening. But this, by the way, is a Stitch Fix top from last year. And what was on my porch as I was coming in but a Stitch Fix. So some of you guys might remember that the last Stitch Fix I returned everything in the box. The last two, actually. Although the one I got in May, I really regretted returning that Karl Lagerfeld top. And I have that as a kind of a constant send it if it comes back again thing. So I don't know if she could send it. It's probably out of season. It was 3/4 sleeves, but that's a standing order. I did not peek at this box ahead of time. Once the box shipped, you're able to go in the app and see what was sent. I did not look. I asked for a complete outfit in the spring color palette, pretty much like last time. Let's see what happened. Mary just walked in. Mary, I used your thing here. What is this thing?
It's a knife I bought.
Well, I know it's a knife, but is it got a particular kind of name?
No, that one doesn't. I can't remember.
I don't mean a name like Fred or Harry. I mean, is it a particular kind of knife?
Now his name's Harry.
His name's Harry now. All right.
I don't know.
You want to join me here, Mare?
I'll put you on to put my shoes on.
Okay.
Oh,
And Moose is joining us now, too. All right. Squeeze over. Whee! I don't know how this is going to happen. My phone tripod collapsed, so I'm using the iPad. Anyway, let's see what's in here. Ooh. I think she did go for those colors. Let's see. Mary had her colors done, too, by the way. Mary, what did you come out? I came out a True Spring. You came out a...
Light spring.
Light spring. Spring-summer combination. All right. Let's see what is in this burrito. It looks like I did get a complete outfit. Oh, if you're wondering what Stitch Fix is, I will have a description and a referral link in the description box below. My link will get you $25 toward your first fix. However, I'm letting you know occasionally Stitch Fix runs promos, so look around YouTube. Sometimes they're 50 or 75 credit. You never know who's going to get it or what's going to happen, so go for what's best for you. In the box, you get some styling cards giving you ideas of how to style the pieces they sent, and a note from your stylist. It's Molly again. I'll read the note at the end. My invoice. A big mailer to return anything I don't want. That's all stuck together. Okay. And let's I what is in this fix. All right. So, I did tell Molly, in fact, if you stay to the end of this video, I'll show you the wonderful thing I got based on what a number of you said. There you go. My head was getting cut off in there. A number of you told me you can wear a V-neck if you wear a Demi cami, and I'm like, what the heck's a Demi cami? Well, suffice to say, I'll show you the Demi camis I got at the end of this, and I told Molly, as long as it's in petite sizing, you can send me something with a split neck or V-neck because my Demi cami will cover anything I don't want to be shown. So, this is the first item. It is a top by 41 Hawthorne, unfortunately made in China. I asked her to avoid made in China. It's a nice top, though. It's got a little pleat in the back. I don't know if you can see that really well. And this is, according to the tag, this is the 41 Hawthorne Brace and Pleated Deal Sustainable Blouse. I assume in the note she'll tell me what that means. In teal green, size medium. We'll see if the medium works. Large petite's my size, as most of you know. I can sometimes get away with a medium. So, what do you think of the color on this, Mary?
It's very you.
It's very me? Okay. Now, ooh, this is not going to work for me, I think, because I think this is way too cool a pink. Sort of this dusty pink color is like, just makes me look kind of gray. In fact, this might be the worst color I can get. This is the Daniel Rain in petite large, also made in China. All right, and it's very synthetic-y feeling. Feel this?
Oh.
Daniel Rain is really pricey too. I have a feeling I'll try it on, but I can just about guarantee this is a no. So it's definitely
that color.
not. Well, that color might work better for you than me because you have summer in you. So you're. No, I don't think it works great for you either. You're a spring with summer.
I said I like the color. I didn't say I'd wear the color.
This is another. Oh, ooh.
I have to go.
Polka dots and camel. You got to go. Thank
do.
you, Mary, for stopping in.
There you go.
Okay, thank you. All right. I do like polka dots. The thing with this is I have the same shirt in another color, in green with polka dots. The problem with this is, unless did she send it in a large petite, I'll try it. The other one might be a petite also. it just kind of slid from one side to the other because my shoulders are so narrow. Didn't really work for me. We'll see if this one's any different. The material feels different than the other one. It's not silky. It also feels polyestery. I love the color, and I always like polka dots. This is also made in China. Another Daniel Rain in petite medium. I'm avoiding made in China. I won't rule it out completely if something's really perfect, but I really try to avoid that. And finally, this looks great. I hope it fits. Liverpool, size 12. I have some Liverpool 12s that don't fit me, and I have some that fit me with room to spare. In fact, am I wearing my Liverpools today? No, I'm wearing Democracy today. I have a pair of Liverpool capris in a size 10 that fits me fine. I was wearing them yesterday. It all depends on the cut. This has a flat band, and it's like a faux zipper in the front, which means you can wear another top on top of it without it looking terrible. I really like this color. This is what color is this? It's a muted coral, I always call this color pink sand. It's like a warm, somewhat pinkish color. All right, so I will go do a try on. I did ask her to stuff that goes together, and maybe she thought these two would go together. They kind of do. I'll try everything on. And then I will do a wrap up with item names and prices, and in the wrap up I will show you on a hanger one of my Demi camis and explain the brand and where I got it and how it works. Stay tuned. Okay. Next day, before I show you the items I have on, I want to show you a pair of Liverpool capris I got last year in my fix, and I have been wearing them all the time. Note, Liverpool, the size is 10 petite. Now, this 10 petite still fits me. I'm in 12 in most of my other things because I put on a little bit of weight during COVID lockdown. And the reason I'm showing you those, which I was just wearing 2 days ago, is because those pink sand colored capris or crops that were sent in this box are a size 12 and they're Liverpool. And boy, are they snug. So here are the pink trousers. Because these are not petites, most petites give me rise problems, but they're probably a little longer than they would be on, I'm 5'2", another person. But look how snug they are. I don't even want to show you my muffin top. All right. They are really pulling here and here on me. And this is one of the Daniel Rain tops. I can't find my sheet with the names and prices, but I will have that at the end of the video. This is actually a very pretty top. It's got pleating here, a few little buttons, I think, and it is, I believe this is in petite sizing. I'm wearing a cami under it, Demi cami, because the V comes quite low for me. This is also 100% polyester, and it's kind of hot in this weather. I think it's cute. I'm sure she sent it to go with, because it has pink in it, but these are more of a peachish pink, and this is definitely a cool pink on the flowers, so I'm not sure how well it goes together. Okay, I'm keeping these peachy pants on just for this second Daniel Rain top. This is also 100% polyester, so it's feeling a little warm. I looked at the preview of this, the picture online, and this looked like a warm pink, but I think you can see compared with the peachy pink and the trousers, this is a really cool pink. It's almost a dusty mauve, which is not a color I think that works for me. Okay, here's the 41 Hawthorne top. I do love the color. I've got a cami on under it, still got my cami on here. And the armholes are a little odd, although I normally wouldn't have to wear a cami under this. It feels snug up here. It feels snug in the top, in the bust, and in the shoulders a little bit. Here's the paper moon top, and here is my other paper moon top. This is the same top. This one is made of a material that's very silky. They're both 100% polyester, but this feels rough isn't the right word. It's more textured, this one. And it's got polyester spandex. This, I think, is just polyester. And it fits a little differently. Let me show you back here. What I actually did was the neckline was so wide and kept sliding off my shoulder. I can't really sew, but I just sort of, if you can see, I kind of closed that keyhole a little bit on this so that it would not slide off my shoulders, but I still don't reach for this much. If you hear a strange sound, Moose is playing with the toy. All right, the fit on this is a little bit different. Let me know what you think. I just realized I'm shooting in natural light and the sun's coming in this window. I hope you were able to see the try-on. I might have to reshoot that if the light wasn't good enough. Anyway, let's go over these items. I will tell you right now, I wasn't wowed by anything in the box. My stylist in her note, it is Molly. Poor Molly, she's trying so hard to find me something I like. And the past couple of boxes really haven't fit the bill for me. Not her fault. I mean, she's trying with the inventory she has to suit my many requests. I'm a pain in the butt behind. The Liverpool pants were similar to the ones in the last fix. She was hoping these would fit better. The warm peach, she calls it, is a good neutral from which to add the sun-washed colors you were hoping for. I asked for sun-washed colors, which I suppose is an adjective that can mean many things. She's right, the color was just the peach was just beautiful. I love the color, it just didn't fit. Sizing up, I'm pretty sure would, they'd be at an awkward length. I'm hoping the mid-range blues and pinks in the Daniel Rain tops might work. You'll notice I reached for a medium petite in the Leona Flutter detail blouse. The Paper Moon you already own in a dark green variety, and the neutral version seemed right up your alley. It is, it's the thing I'm thinking the most about keeping. I'm hoping to find something turquoise for you still. How's the 41 Hawthorne for color? Enjoy your stylist, Molly. All right, let's go over each of these. The mid-range blue, it is kind of too cool a blue for me, the cool blue and the cool pink. This is the Daniel Rain. Is this the medium petite? Yeah, this was a petite medium and it fit. That surprises me. I would have thought I would need a large petite. This is $64. It's 100% polyester and it is made in China. I did request to avoid made in China. I'm really trying to avoid that right now. If something was outstanding and fit perfectly and it's something I really needed, I would probably get it anyway. This doesn't quite meet those specs. The next item is the other Daniel Rain, the Emila ruffle neckline blouse in blush and a large petite, also $64, also 100% polyester. It is again a cool pink color, which I don't think is a good color for me. It's also made in China. All right, 41 Hawthorne. I love the color. I'm not wild about most blues unless they're warmer like a turquoise, but if you put a blue with a green, I love it. I like the pattern. I really like the pleat detail in the back. I like the pleat detail in the front. This actually just fit weird on top for me. And this is the Paper Moon, I said Paper Moon, 41 Hawthorne, Bryson detailed, pleated detailed, sustainable blouse in teal green in a medium. I think I would need a large in this, and I usually have problems with larges just not quite fitting if they're not petite. It's 100% polyester also, and it is also made in China. So if I'm borderline on something and it's made in China, that will nix it. So that's going to be a return. Here we go. This is the Paper Moon Kira keyhole back blouse in beige, large petite, $38. Unlike the other one, I don't know if you'll be able to see sort of the texture of the material. When I said it's rough, I don't mean it's uncomfortable. It is polyester and spandex. It still is a little hot because it's polyester. My other one slides off my shoulder and shows my bra strap. This one didn't seem to do that. It is also, however, made in China. I'm thinking about this. I'm not sure. It's definitely my favorite thing in the box. So give me your opinion on it. And of course these, you know, just did not fit. So we discussed this, but I don't think I gave you the price. These are the Chloe. Oh, they're considered capri. Capri rolled cuff jean in peach in a size 12, $74. They look well made. They're also made in China. And the Liverpool capris I am wearing right now, fit really well and comfortably in a 10 petite. They must run really large. These Liverpool capris did not fit. So I don't love them enough to size up for $74. I do love the color. So I'm leaning now toward returning everything again. I have a style pass, so I don't get charged a styling fee if I return everything. I do like the paper moon top with the dots on it. So I don't know. Anyway, give me your feedback, and I may test drive this again, try it on with a few different things, and see how it goes. I always appreciate your feedback. By the time I get this up, I may have already checked out, but I would like your feedback anyway. I did say I was going to talk about the Demi camis. I think what I'm going to do is make a separate video for them since this is running long, but they have been wonderful. And those of you that recommended to me in the comment box a few fixes ago that I should get a Demi cami, you are right. It opens up for me to be able to wear some things I couldn't wear before. So thank you for that. Stay tuned for that video. Okay, so I will see you next time.